Okay, here we are in Fountain Hills, Arizona. Just did a really pretty family room and dinette area and a master bedroom. So this is the family room looking out onto the pool and everything. You can see at top there's a divider rail on these because of how tall they are. So they're just divided so you can use that bottom section, and then when that's west facing, when the sun comes, it'll knock all that sun down. We come over here into the dinette. You have these really neat, it kind of wraps around, you have these really neat corner windows. You have to be careful with them, but it opens in the corner like this. And you basically has this beam in the center for your corner window, and it just opens up. It's solid glass back in here in this corner. So just a real nice deal there. You just want to close them up. When you do that, close it. You can open it back up. Here's our divider rail on this side, is on the lower side. We can just open everything up here, no problem. And there you have it. Just a really nice looking dinette area. We have a corner one over here as well. I'm not going to open this one because the candles are over here, but these open the same way as the one I just showed you. Then over here we have one that kind of fits between the cabinets. It's on tile, so it's got a build out on it. So it just fits in there really nice and perfect. And yeah, just a really clean, nice job.
And Charlie's your uncle.